Hi, so today's video is a really special one. It's of the brand Karl Lagerfeld. Okay, so anyway, Karl has been one of my favorite, most inspirational designers ever. So I'm so glad that, he decided to, come up with a line, brand under his name. So, ta-da! So, okay, the thing about this brand is that I cannot get it here in Singapore. I believe that Takashimaya might have carried it for a while, but it disappeared. And I actually asked, the website online if they could ship it to Singapore, but it was saying no. So the nearest boutique that we actually have is in Kuala Lumpur. So I actually had a really kind friend who was having a holiday in Europe, and I told her, no matter what, please bring a bag for me. Just a small handbag would do. And this sweetheart didn't bring just one bag, she brought two. So happy, she was so sweet. Okay, so anyway, what happened was I actually went to the website and looked through the whole list of items, and I actually gave her a shopping wish list, but it ended up with more. So this is what actually happened. She went into the boutique and I was like, could you just take a picture of the entire shop? And she did, and I ended up with two handbags. So I'm just gonna unbox the first one now. Okay, so yeah, it comes with the paper bag, and I love that it comes with a beautiful box as well, like what you have for Chanel and all. I think I'm really grateful because I think the brands and bags of this price range, usually they don't actually come with such a nice box. Okay, so with my first bag, ta-da! See, it has his picture, signature printed, and it comes in, of course, the dust bag. Okay. So the first handbag I have is of this really gorgeous kind of of a white grayish kind of tinge, and I'm so glad that my friend got this for me because I think I'm a silver accessory person, so it's going to go so well with all of my outfits. So it's actually a sling bag, and even though it's a small size on the website, it's actually a lot bigger than I expected. Okay, so it actually comes, so it's actually a button clip, and it comes with this leatherish strap. Okay, so you can just hang it at the sides for a more casual look. Okay. And I guess if you want to have it for evening wear, you can just carry it like that as a clutch. Super gorgeous with the iconic Karl signature on top, K signature back in small, and this really lovely kind of a silverish grayish color. Okay. And I'm gonna reveal my second bag. Ta-da! So this one over here. Okay, this bag I totally do not regret getting after I took a peek at it. It's another black handbag, but look at how adorable it is. The iconic little character over here. So this wasn't actually on my shopping list that I passed to my friend, but I did a search, and the nearest boutique that we have in Kuala Lumpur, they don't seem to carry this so-called iconic range of bags. So I'm really glad for it because I think the fact that it's of a character, it can double up as a casual, and the black is just always ideal for evening wear. And why I say so is because it comes with the metallic chain, so it kind of gives a bit more class to your black handbag, which makes it suitable for both the casual and evening wear. Okay. And the clip over here is actually I struggle a bit. It's actually kind of a slide and pull catch here, and I'm not sure if you can see it, but they actually printed the IKonik head on the fabric itself, which is so gorgeous. And I'm actually quite glad for this additional wear. So and inside, there's this additional slot here, and of course, the longer strap for you to carry it as a sling bag. So even though my friends said they were the same size, you can tell that the silver one is actually slightly bigger than the black. So I'm so glad for these two bags. And you can see that the design as well is slightly different. So even though I bought two handbags, it really feels like two very different bags that I can use on two very different occasions. So thank you, Madeline. I love my